This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 90 of Building Optimus Prime. This time we're getting back to the leg, getting some more work done on that. Looking at the magazine first, A Legendary Destiny, Past and Future Intertwined by Fantasy. This is the one with the beast things in it, I think. Feel free to pause and read all about it if you like, but I'm not going to read it all live now. The Allspark, yeah, there we go. Pipes, the collector. He's a mini vehicle, apparently. A warrior. Cool. Rescue bots to the rescue. Yes, we read about this last time. There's toys. Obviously, there's toys associated with the cartoon. Mini child-friendly toys. Child-friendly, he says. Young child-friendly. Chase boulder blades. Optimus. There we go. Got some sort of, maybe there's two versions of him. He goes to a T-Rex or Bumblebee. Why has he got blue front? Blue front. So the left leg, part 5. The upper knee and leg assembly is added to the thigh. So we've got some metal parts to put together, some bits to add to it with the pins and the hinge flap. Yeah, lots of things to do and bits to keep for next time. We'll need the leftover NM screws from issue 91. This is 90. I think they mean 4. I don't know why they give them to you now and not later, but there we go. I shall keep those aside. I'll be doing 91 momentarily anyway. So, right, let's clear it out of the way and let's get issue 90 done. Okay, so we've got some parts. What do we need first? We need the bit that looks a bit like that. And we need... I haven't opened all these packets. They're the discs. That's the pin. A couple of little discs. Bolts and screws. Screws. What's the other bit that it says I use? 90i. Insert the nut 90i. It's a nut. It didn't look like a nut from that angle. There we go. Read the words. It's always helpful. Insert the nut 90i into the holder bit there. Come through there. So the nut's got to go into that bit. A bit like that. That'll do it. And then we need NM screws. Was it NM that it said to keep? Well, there's more NM screws there. So we're going to put these in. This has the cover that goes over the top. Like that. Now we've got the nut in place. Screw that over the top. So we know the nut's not going to escape. Quite like that I don't remember doing any of this from the first leg. Not sure if that's because the leg is different or because it's been a year and a half or so since I did the first leg. Might be about that, yeah. So that's that. Then we put that aside for a minute and we build some of this. We need the 90L, which are these big discs. No, the little discs. And while I'm at it, still need that. I'm going to take that out of the bag though. Bags to worry about. Useful keeping these bags because you never know when you want to keep things in a bag, but need it for now. So these discs are going to go either side of that. All right, yes. Make sure they go the right way around because they've got little notches on one side or the other. So that goes on there. That goes on the same on the other side. Like that. And then that goes there. Which way around? We've got that with the post. Am I even doing the right bit? It's that way round. Then that goes on there. That way round. Oh, they've turned that then. Oh, great. Nice to see that they've done that. Let's try it that way round. Get these in. Both in. I need to put that other one back in, but let's see if that is the way round that it looks like it is. That is the right way round. Good. Let's get that back out. That needs to go in there. The whole thing needs to go in there. Out there. Quite a tight fit. Not definitely lined up the right way round though. Work it in a little bit at a time. So once that's in, we then need J and H. Different type of washers in there. So we've got the post, we've got the sprung washer and the flat washer. The bolt pairs of each of those washers. Worth keeping. Actually, no, we've got lots of sprung washers, not so many others. That's strange. That goes on there, then that one. And that goes through there into the captured bolt that we've got on the other side of there. That lined up properly. You can't see through it, that's the trouble. It's going to be a case of playing with that until it goes all the way through. So that'll do. Lined up. Get that through there. Then it'll go through there. I need to dig out my spanner to tighten this up, but I'll worry about that in a bit. Right, that needs to go through. I know that goes through there. I'll do that in a minute. See what's next. We've got to get this pin through this bit. Goes on there. That way round. Yes, that way round. Pin comes in from this side. And getting it lined up is the trick. Trick. All right, well, that goes through there anyway. I know I've got to do that behind the scenes. Then we've got to do more bits. We've got the other bit. That goes on there using an MP screw, not MH, MP. Does that matter which way round? It doesn't say which way around, so it doesn't look like it matters. That's going to be on there. That's going to go on there, like so. Holding that in place. Okay. We do need an HM. Not a WH. Tag the right way up. You know what you're doing. And that will go onto here. On there, I think. Goes on there like that. With that screw holding that together. So there we go. We've got a few bits left over. We've got these plates and the screws, which are going to go on here, which are going to join that to, yeah, that will be going onto there like so. But we can't do that yet. and I need to get all those together anyway. So I shall get all those done behind the scenes, and that's that. Another issue done. Actually, I'll get them done and then show you it completed just to make sure. See you in just a sec. Right, all done. A little bit more trouble than it was worth, really. This bit, the hole in the metal piece, was not letting the bar through very well, so I've actually had to file that open a little bit. But that all is in there now. It's very secure, so I'm happy with that. That I had to take the cover off to make sure everything was lining up inside to get that back on. But you can put the cover back on. I don't know why we had to do that first. But there we go. That's now in there and tight and secure. This does still move, although it's very tight. But that's okay. In fact, I think I might tighten that up just a touch more. Needs to be very tight in there. You shouldn't be able to move it very easily. Yeah, there you go. So when it's made longer and attached, it's going to be even tighter. So that's that. All done. And that is issue 90 completed. So I shall see you for issue 91 very soon. I shall keep these bits just there until then. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.